Hey, what's good, YouTube? I'm back again, man. It's been a while since I last uploaded a video. I've been real busy. I have been buying shoes, but I feel like those probably weren't worthy enough to make an unboxing on. But this here is the Omnizone pump, and I wanted to get right into it. Speaking about the box, as I noticed, they're starting to use different type of packaging boxes. These here, the kind that you kind of just rip this tab along the sides and just, I guess, lift the top off. And I could do that, but what I've been doing lately is just keeping my packaging boxes. I've been cutting this section off from the box, not the top. The ones that open up from the middle, I just tape them down, and I've been cutting this here out. So I've been making kind of like cubicles, because I had my shoes all stacked up one on top of the other. And you know, the bottom box is always the ones that take the damage, and then it's hard for me if I want to wear the shoes all the way at the bottom for that day. Then I gotta unstack all the boxes and do all this and that. What I did was I kept all the packaging boxes from the ones that I received, and then I just cut this here open. That way I could just slide the whole shoe box in and out without taking out the shoes from top. You know what I'm saying? So all my shoe boxes are inside the packaging boxes with this whole thing missing right here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so give me a second right quick. What I'm finna do is I'm finna open it from here. So I'll probably do a time lapse on this part right here. So give me a second right quick. I'll cut this much for now, and I'll cut the rest later off camera. Right now, what I want to do is just show y'all the shoes. So, oh, look at that. I got the right side. So here go the shoes. Let's pull these out. I'll do away with the box for now. Here go the shoes, man. So, again, we'll start off with the box tab. There you go. Alright, so the old traditional pump boxes, say custom fit Reeboks. Ain't nothing changed about these boxes. These are all been the same ever since I don't remember when. So let's open it up. And this is my first time opening these up, so we're looking at them together. I've never had any pump shoes before in my life. This will be my first pair. Here we go. Reebok pump in my size. It took a while to get these, man, because right when the clock struck 11, because it was 11 for us down here in Texas, right when the clock struck 11, all the sizes went out to be unavailable, the whole thing. So I had to keep refreshing. I say I refresh for a good 10 minutes. The sizes will pop up and then they'll go away. They'll say unavailable. I just kept doing this over and over and over and over till I finally snagged my size 10. Let me show y'all the tag right quick. I was finally able to snag my size, and I had a customer service coupon for 50% off from, I can't remember what happened. I know they screwed up one of my orders from before, and I told them, hey, what's going on, you know, this and that, and they said, look, man, we're sorry. We'll give you a customer service voucher for 50% off, no exclusions, because like these shoes here or any other Iversons or Kemps or any of that, mostly basketball shoes, they're all labeled as excluded from promotion. So not any coupon will work on them. It has to be a customer service voucher coupon. Those definitely work on everything. So I was able to use it, and these came down to $70, and I was grateful. I would have still paid the $140, but you know, I was grateful that coupon worked. Let me show y'all the shoe without the tag for now. But yeah, again, let me give y'all the tongue tag. You know, I always give y'all that tongue tag. Let me see if it'll focus on it. If not, I'll give y'all some B-roll shot of it. There we go. There's that tongue tag. And again, let me just run it back right quick. So you got leather all over. And this here on the back heel, on the back of the ankle, it look like some mesh. They do got texture to it. It's like mesh. Down in here, you got like some kind of mesh also, different type. It's all black right here, right there. This is the plastic pieces I'm talking about. And they're painted because it goes all the way up here to the lace. The Hexalite is stitched. The Reebok pump is stitched. Right here on the tongue where you got the Reebok. I think it say basketball here. Yeah, I do. Basketball. So this is all stitched. Everything I just showed you is all stitched. So you got the pump right here, and then you got the release. See if it worked. I don't know. I'm probably doing something wrong. I don't know. I got to put these on and then do that. But yeah, these are it. These are nice. All the way around. And you know, I am gonna give y'all non feet. So let's get to it.
Amnesia Beast, don't forget the money, man.